Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michaela and I'm going to do today with you the Donna twisted skirt. I'm so excited. One of my clients ordered it from me. So I've got already my pieces cut. So I've cut already the skirt. It's cut on fold as indicated, and then I got the two pieces. I've got this one side piece and then the other side piece. So just let me open it like this for you to see it better. This skirt is so easy and so chic and so fast to do. So I've got here my other piece, and here my other piece. So these pieces actually, they are actually going like a prolonging part, a prolongation of the skirt. Of course, it can be done by cutting it all in one, to be honest, but I wanted to delimitate very clearly the sides, the ends, so when we are putting the knot through it, that we make this little hole, right? This knot is actually a fake knot. It's not a real knot. So we're gonna start first things first. So we are going to attach these prolonged beads, so they will be sewn as a prolonged part. So I'm placing it over my main piece, and I'm just pinning like this over, like that, and the same on the other side. So like this, it will be placed facing the right sides together, and I will be pinning them. I will be using for this skirt, I will be using my overlocker for the most part, but also my sew machine. If you do not have a sew machine, you can do this with your, if you don't have an overlocker, you can always do this with your normal sew machine. So I'm going ahead to my overlocker, and I'm actually just using one needle. I'm a little bit lazy, I know, but it's absolutely a safe sewing part. So I'm just placing it underneath. You will understand in a minute why I use just one needle. So most of the time when I'm sewing, I'm actually not using the knife. You can though use the knife if you wish, but I feel like it's not really necessary for me. So this is one side. I really hope you see well. I'm going to check because my camera has been off. And now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so I've got my two parts already stitched. It's so cool. I'm so happy how fast it's going this, and I just want to come back and show you how the skirt looks like right now, like this. So it has the prolonged ends. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to actually serge all this bit. So if you don't have a serger, I did show some time ago actually how to, you can do in my ruffled pattern. I've shown you how to do let's say not a ruffle necessarily, but how to serge is practically using a small zigzag stitch with your normal sew machine. I used it on 2.5. So yes, I'll be doing all these first. I'll be doing it all along until here. Yes, until this part. And once I'm done, I will be showing you the next step. So I'm just serging here the edge of the skirt. I actually use, as you can see, just one needle is threaded and everything is on nearly 4. There's no differential feed and there is a small stitch length. So as you can see, I'm not really pulling anything. I'm just guiding the fabric through because I don't really want to get it ruched. Then again, if it happened, it's actually not really the end of the world. I don't mind. Actually, it did. It did ruffle a little bit, so it's okay. It's a very tricky fabric. So, right. So next, what we are going to do, like I've explained it before, I'm going to make like a little cut, not too big, like a tiny bit, like here, and this I will fold it inside. This cut I will be folding it inside, and I will do a straight stitch over, and here I will actually do the same. Small cut here, small cut here, and I would fold it inside and I would do a straight stitch over. Why is this? Because this is actually where the knot, the fake knot hole will be. To become a hole, this knot is actually a hole. So I want that I have a clear fabric, let's call it like this, right? So next thing, I'm going to first thread my machine and I'm going to show you how I do this straight stitch. Okay, so I've threaded my sew machine and I've got here my edges, which I will be folding it inside, but in order to be able to see what I'm actually doing, I will be doing it with the wrong side facing me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a straight stitch. Nothing fancy, just a straight stitch. So you will understand in a minute why. And I will be doing this on the both sides, right? So now I'm doing it on the other side. The same. Folding it inside and going over. Okay. So once it's done, I take the longer piece. So I'm turning the skirt, I'm turning it on the wrong side facing me, right? And sorry, on the right side facing me, like this. And I take the longer bit, this is my longer bit, and I will be placing it like this on top of my like main piece, let's call it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pin it starting from this little hole, let's call it like this. hole to be. Starting from here and pinning it all along like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and serge it. All right, I'm gonna serge all this bit. If you don't have a serger, you can do simply a zigzag stitch. So I'll be doing this. Once I'm done, I'll come back to show you the next step. Okay, so I'm back, and this was the part where I've stitched, right? I've showed you that I did it all along, right? I did a straight stitch, I overlocked it, right? And now I'm going to pull out this little hole, right? So it's more visual, and I'm going to be turning the skirt with the wrong side facing me. So as you can see, now it looks like kind of a little bit of a square, right? And I've got here the other side. And what I'm going to do, as you see, this is my wrong side and this is the shiny nice side. So I'm going to pass this bit, I'm going to pass it through this little hole like this, and I will be making sure that I'm not twisting it inside. Why? Because I want to reach until here, and then it will be going over all again. So I'm going slowly so you can see me, right, until I reach to the part which is important to me, right here where is the little hole, and I'm gonna unify these two bits like this, and I'm going to pin all along, and you will see that it's actually kind of like a little bit doing of an overlapping, right, with the other side. Not too much though, just a few centimeters. So I'm pinning it like this all along. Oh, you see, so just a few centimeters, they're overlapping like that. Okay, so when I will be turning it, once I've stitched, I've got the edges like this, and my skirt is going to be looking beautifully like that. So I'm going ahead now, and I'm going to serge this little opening, and once I'm done, I will show you the end result. So I've serged here the remaining part, and this is how it looks like on the wrong side of the fabric, and I'm going to turn it on the right side for you. And here I'm going to adjust a little bit my knot. As you can see, I did leave quite a little bit of space for my hole, right, for my twisting hole. Of course, I'm going to go by hand, and I'm going to close it a little bit more. So yes, I'm going to hand stitch it so it's actually a little bit more closed, so more looking like a knot. But for the rest, I really love the end result. I hope you like it too. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to write me, and happy sewing.